In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a voice channel, VC, in Discord in a simple and straightforward manner. Whether you're new to Discord or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started by heading over to Discord. For many of us, Discord has become a central hub for community engagement, gaming sessions, and even professional meetings. Opening your web browser and navigating to Discord's login page is the first step toward joining the action. Once you reach the Discord login page, you'll need to enter your email address. Take a moment to make sure you're using the email associated with your Discord account to avoid any login issues. Next up, it's time to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to not just joining voice channels, but also to ensuring that your account remains secure. So, type it carefully. After you've entered your email and password, you'll see the familiar login button beckon you. Click on it to proceed. If you've entered your details correctly, you'll soon find yourself on the Discord home screen, where all your interactions begin. From the Discord home, your journey to entering a voice channel takes its next step, navigating to a server. If you're part of multiple servers, take a moment to locate the one you wish to engage with. Clicking on the server name will take you into that server's unique ecosystem. Inside the server, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the voice channels section. Voice channels are where the audio magic happens. They're distinctly marked, often with a speaker icon, making them easy to identify amidst text channels and other server features. Now take a look at the voice channels available. Each channel serves a different purpose, defined by the server's admins. Some might be open for general chat, while others may be dedicated to specific games or topics. When you find the voice channel you want to join, whether it's for a round of gaming, a meeting, or just to hang out, simply click on it. Clicking on the voice channel will automatically connect you to it, enabling you to speak to other members who are in the same channel. You'll know you've successfully joined because your name will appear in the list of channel participants, and you'll start hearing any ongoing conversation. In addition, your screen will display the voice channel's name, giving you a clear indication of where you are. If you're using Discord for the first time, or if it's been a while since you last joined a voice channel, here are a couple of tips to enhance your experience. 1. Make sure your microphone and headphones are properly connected and configured in Discord settings. This ensures that you can hear and be heard without issues. 2. Familiarize yourself with the mute and deafen options. These are incredibly useful if you need to momentarily step away from your computer, or if you're experiencing background noise that you don't want to broadcast to the channel. 3. Lastly, respect the channel's rules and culture. Each server and channel might have its own set of guidelines for conversation and behavior. Adhering to them helps maintain a positive and welcoming environment for all participants. Congratulations! You now know how to join a voice channel in Discord. Whether you're joining friends for a game, participating in a discussion, or attending a virtual meeting, voice channels are a vital part of the Discord experience. As you become more familiar with navigating and participating in different servers and channels, you'll find Discord to be an invaluable tool for connecting with others who share your interests and passions. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy chatting and see you in Discord.